Hey gearheads! Today's video tackles a common trouble code, P0403, exhaust gas recirculation circuit malfunction. Don't panic! This doesn't necessarily mean a trip to the mechanic. The EGR system plays a key role in reducing emissions, and a malfunctioning circuit can cause rough idling, increased fuel consumption, and even failing emissions tests. But before you throw parts at it, let's diagnose and potentially fix this ourselves. The EGR system recirculates exhaust gases back into the engine. This reduces combustion temperatures, lowering harmful nitrogen oxide emissions. The P0403 code indicates a problem in the electrical circuit controlling the EGR valve. Illuminated check engine light, rough idling, decreased fuel efficiency, engine hesitation or knocking. Clogged EGR valve, carbon buildup is a common culprit. Faulty DPFE sensor. This sensor monitors pressure in the EGR system. Vacuum leaks. Leaky hoses can disrupt proper EGR function. Faulty EGR solenoid. This electronically controls the EGR valve. Stuck EGR valve. The valve can get stuck open or closed. Socket wrench set. Screwdrivers. Car manual refer to your specific vehicle for location of parts. EGR valve cleaner optional. Replacement parts depending on diagnosis. Pop the hood and locate the EGR valve. Consult your car manual. Visually inspect the valve and surrounding hoses for clogs or cracks. You can try cleaning the EGR valve with a specialized cleaner following the product instructions. If cleaning doesn't solve the issue, consider replacing the EGR valve. Follow your car manual for specific removal and replacement procedures. Remove the intake manifold and clean the intake manifold. Always consult your car manual before starting any repairs. If you're not comfortable with any step, seek help from a mechanic. When dealing with engine components, ensure the car is cool and parked on a level surface. Fixing a P0403 code can be a DIY project. By following these steps and using safe practices, you can get your car running smoothly again. Remember, if things get complicated, don't hesitate to consult a professional. Thanks for joining this EGR troubleshooting mission. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more car care tips.